I'm at Freaky Friday as I said I would be. I've made one pass already. It was alright. Have some things I need to fix. Alright, we're gonna make a pass here with no traction control, see what happens. I'm hoping it'll run faster. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. Got the GoPro running over here, I believe. Looks about like it, yep. So, once these guys get moving, we're gonna do us a little pass. Man, there are people everywhere. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but good Lord. Alright. Well, I hope I don't lose to a Miata. We'll see what happens. Waiting. Where's my light? Where's my light? Alrighty. Didn't mean to cuss, sorry. Yeah, sorry. It happens, I got excited. Woo! That was fun. That was fun. Alright guys, I gotta go get my time slip. You're going to the track? What? Where do you come from? Sorry, there's a bit of a distraction. Some guy just rolled up here in a Mustang and I don't... Alright, looks like he's calling us forward. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, looks like I now have a Mustang. So, I'm alright with this. I'll give it a go. It's a convertible Mustang. So, we'll see. We'll see what happens. He's giving it a whole lot of burnout for some street tires, I'll tell you what. It's a bit excessive, but alright. See what happens. Get some foot brake action on. Let's see. Woo! We hooking and booking, boys. Let's see what he got. He ain't got nothing for me. He ain't got nothing for me. Bye-bye, Mustang. That's what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how we race a Camaro. Woo! Tell you what, that's a good way to end the race tonight. I'll tell you what. I don't know why I just put my turn signal on. That's silly. We had the racetrack. I just turned my turn signal off. How about that there? How about that there? All right, guys. Sorry. I'm acting stupid. See y'all later.